Very good evening to everybody. Okay, can I do a sound test and see whether you all can hear me? Okay, very good to see you, Mary. Okay, Mary, very good to see you. Yeah, I just want to make sure that my mic is on. Are you able to hear me loud and clear, guys? Okay, are you able to hear me loud and clear? Okay, are you able to hear me loud and clear? Can you see my visuals? Any lagging? Ronnie, thank you. Okay. Yep. Sharp, no lag. Wow, tolong, man. Yes. Siu Ching, good to see you very loud and clear. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Today is an important topic. Today is an important topic. First sign of a crash coming. Okay. Don't say I never tell you guys. No lagging. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes. All good. Yes. Thank you so much. We just okay. Wait till I do the talk. Then you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Yeah. Everybody come in quickly and I'll pull my chair here. Okay. 我不姓卢，我姓罗，敲锣打鼓的罗。Yes, yes. I wish I know with certainty, but I rely on expert. Yeah, don't second guess. Watch my video. Okay, watch my video. Then you know explain what I'm saying. Okay. Yeah. So how's everybody? Oh, everybody good. Everybody going for holiday soon? Yeah, my whole December is blocked out by all the people dying for the cause. So I got no more time to go for holiday. I'll go my holiday in probably after Chinese New Year. Okay, after Chinese Year, I'll go somewhere. Yeah, I'm gonna think of where I can go for holiday. Yeah, now I'm just overrun. Everybody, please give a thumbs up. Okay, this is an important video. Okay, this is important. It's using how you go for holiday. Your grandson just born, right? Yeah. Okay. How did I get my internet fixed? I didn't. Right? I didn't. It's just okay. The last time it died, I think it's because of a thunderstorm that is happening. Okay. Gary, very good to see you again. Okay. Yeah, Gary attended our course and I think he was very happy about it as well. Okay, I got no time to waste. I'm going to start my talk. Today is an important one. I'm not even sure today I can keep my talk because later got crybabies come in, complain and things like that. But anyway, everybody won't complain now. Everybody complain when they lose money. Yeah. But anyway, I give warning. This one, anyway, we'll see. Okay. All right. Let's start the talk. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Okay. All right. Okay. If you're ready, I'm gonna start now. Okay. Once you can see my slide, please let me know. Okay, and then I'll check. I'll check my visual as well. Okay, wait. I'm just gonna check whether I can see the slides properly also. And let's go. Okay, can everybody see my slides? Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah. Obelu, long time never see you. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Obelu, long time never see you. Yeah. All right. Good. Okay. Let's start. Okay. So now, I don't make stock market predictions counter to what people might think. I actually try not to make stock market prediction, but I always like to rely on a few really smart people. One of them is, of course, Tom Lee, Professor Jeremy Siegel. Actually, these are the two person I count a lot. There are maybe others, of course, Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, but Charlie Munger has passed away. Warren Buffett, too old to talk. So I rely on generally these two person, Jeremy Siegel from Wharton University, and Tom Lee to make a prediction. I didn't say what they say is 100% correct, but I say I'm a big fan of them. Okay. So right now, Tom Lee has came out with a very interesting, Ronnie, good to see you, prediction. He says that possibly a 20% market crash is coming. Okay. And yes, he did say that 2025 will rally, but he says that most likely next year we'll see a 20% market crash. Wow, what does that mean, man? 1 minute he say bull market, 1 minute he say crash. And then everybody keeps saying that Mr. Lu, you roti prata, flip-flop, whatever, bad names and things like that. Yeah. So, by the way, recently I also came to a new conclusion that there's no point trying to be a nice man. Okay. So as a rule nowadays, when people are rude at me, yeah, I'll exercise a powerful rule called I just ban you from my group. I don't mind we have different opinion, but don't need be rude lah. No names calling and poking fun or whatever, as if your parents never teach you manners like that, right? This is not very nice, right? But anyway, so Tom Lee has said 20 market percent crash is coming. Anyway, important disclosure. Nowadays I seldom put disclaimer, but I think that it is important to now state that this is not financial advice. It's for education, entertainment, and you can read yourself. Okay. All right. Huh? Is the screen frozen, guys? No, I don't see my screen frozen. Is the screen frozen, guys? Can you please tell me? Because Wang Dong say the screen is frozen. Okay. Margaret Chong, very good to see you. Thank you so much. Okay. No, right? Yeah. Sometimes is your internet bad and then you're frightened me. Please don't frighten me. Okay. One of the things you could do is just check on your mobile phone, something like that. Anyway, so now Tom Lee in the latest interview with CNBC actually said that we are set up for a really strong rally into year end. Okay. And 2025 year end rally is indeed coming. It's amazing how he actually could predict that the market will recover in November. Remember, early November, the market is like crashing like nobody's business, and everybody say die. The AI bubble is just burst. Everything is end of the world whatsoever. Some people even bail out. And actually, got people write to me and say, "Mr. Lu, I can't take it anymore. I'm selling and things like that. What are you doing?" I say, "I'm just staying put where I am." Okay. If it goes up, I'm happy. Goes down, go down, I'm happy. But I'll just stay where I am. But what Tom Lee said have come to pass. Okay, we're now going for another bull run again, right? So today the market is closed, but the market indeed is now recovering. We are possibly going to hit all-time high again. I don't know whether we'll cross 7,000, but certainly 6,900 points. I think by end of the month there is a chance. But this is what he said on 2025. But okay, sorry guys. Okay, what he also say was that in 2026 there is most likely going to be a sharp 20% correction. Okay. And he says that this correction is going to be caused by a policy shock, not an economic shock. Okay, that's what he says. He was so prescriptive and predictive to say that it is not caused by great inflation whatsoever. It's a policy shock, which means that someone announced a policy surprise that hit the market so badly. He expected a timing to be around 2026. And the magnitude is in a tune of a 20% crash. He actually said that. No, I say, okay, I didn't say, just to be very clear, I didn't say what he say will happen. Okay, I just say this is what he say. I can add the fact that so far what he's saying, a lot of it have come true. Okay, he's not 100% accurate, but he's very accurate in quite a lot of things. Okay, now what this policy shock could be, he never say in this video, but it could be a Federal Reserve misstep, surprise tightening, suddenly spike interest rate, or it could be Donald Trump doing something mad again, or it could be something fiscal or political, okay, and so on. So he did not specifically say what this policy shock is, but policy shock can come from many things. If the market, if a politician or a monetary authority want to crash the market, they can. Okay, they can. In fact, Donald Trump want to crash the market anytime, man. He want to recover market also anytime. He controls the freaking market, right? So, Anyway, so this is pretty interesting. So he said 20% correction is coming. So what should we do now, Mr. Lu? Wow, 20% coming. 20% is very fierce. Huh? Don't look at 20% as nothing. It is very fierce. Later I'll put the weight, okay? So now, this is quite important because market is right now pricing perfection. That means AI is going to boom big time. Every market is going to come in really deep whatsoever. The fund managers are going to buy a lot and things like that. So the interest rate is going to cool. If you watch my earlier video, you all must go and watch all my videos. And suddenly 20% might come. Now, just to put things into perspective, how often are 20% market crash? Well, 20% market crash happens every 5 to 6 years over the last 50 years. Okay, so I tracked the last 50 years. So in 1973, 74, that is the OPEC market crash. Okay, so it crashed by 50%, 48% to be. That's a fierce crash. Then 1980 to 82, that's a rate hike by Paul Volcker. Paul Volcker actually hiked the interest rate really high and then crashed the market by 27%. 1987, Black Monday crashed by 33%. Up to this day, nobody really know what the hell Black Monday happened. Okay. And then the dot-com bust was 50% crash. This could repeat again, by the way, because we now have an AI bull run. So AI.com, some people say is similar. I don't know. Then global financial crisis went down by almost 60%. Okay. COVID crash went down by 34%. This is where I became visible with my shorts. Okay. And 2022, I also went. These two crash, I whacked in some big numbers, man. Okay, 7-digit for sure. Okay. And now I'm sitting on some very, very good returns. Okay. But if you count over the last 50 years, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times it happens. Okay, 7 times it happens. And what I'm not good at is predicting when this thing happen. I think nobody can predict easily. But what I'm better at is trying to catch the bottom. Now, in all fairness, 2025, there was a near 20% crash, near. But it rebounded in one day. Because Donald Trump is suddenly crashes, suddenly increases. So it's a house logic crash. So nobody really look at it lah. Okay, yeah. So anyway, so I think these are very good opportunity for a lot of people. But this kind of crash, once every 5 to 6 years. Okay, but recently you notice become more. Okay, recently become more. Okay, so I think that's a good thing. Now, Tom Lee, in all fairness, he says that he thinks that there's a policy-led crash of 20%, but he actually said, there's nothing to worry about. Okay, he thinks that this correction is not a downtrend, is not a structural damage. He thinks that it's policy driven, so there's not banking crisis, credit freeze, and so on. So, every now and then there'll be some 20% market drop here and there, and it recover usually quite long. Okay, so in 2022, the market recover in 33 days. In 2020 market recover in 33 days, and 2022 recover in a few months and things like that. I think that this part of what he says is correct. Now, I don't know with certainty whether 20% will happen, but I do agree with this statement. Don't panic. I've never panicked, okay? And I can give you all the formula how to make money in stock market crashes, but I don't know how many you all can follow it, okay? It's easy to say, wow, when market come down, we'll buy, right? When the market crash, a lot of people just pee their pants and then miss the whole thing. I've done it successfully 7 times. I first did it in 2007, 2008. Okay, the great financial crisis. Then the Europe debt crisis. I bought it again. I bought at the right. I bought at the bottom. Europe debt crisis in 2012, and then 2015 China stock market crash. I did again. Then 2018, the first trade war between China and US. I did again. 2020, I did it again during the COVID crash, and 2022, I did 2022, I did it again. Actually, I did 6 times, not 7 times. 6 times I've done it. Okay, 6 times I've done it and I caught the ball. What I didn't catch was 2025. 2025, I couldn't catch it because too fast. 1 day return. Walao. 1 day was very tough. Okay, 1 day I cannot catch. I'm not good enough to be 100%, but 90% is not bad. Okay, so now what happens after the crash will be, according to him, will be a fierce, even bigger bull run, right? So there could be a AI, even bigger expansion and so on. So I'm not going to read through all this, but I'm just saying that the market will then take off even bigger. Okay, even bigger. So what should we do now? Of course, collect your dry powder, gather dry powder, work as hard as possible, work 2 jobs, 3 jobs, 4 jobs, 10 jobs, be frugal, save money, and the market comes, bam, whack hard into it, right? Market crash. It's very easy. You can't lose money when you buy during crashes. Yes, a lot of people, you catch a falling knife. Yes, let's say it crashed at 20%, you buy, it crashed to 30, 40%. Well, it seems like bloodbath. But if you buy globally diversified index, all of them recovers after some years or even some months, okay? Yeah, I always tell people you can't lose money if you buy on crashes. Yeah, I can't lose money. Again, very few people listen to me. Okay, anyway. So, well, what I strongly encourage everybody is to make sure that you stay invested. Don't bail. I'm not gonna. Okay, I cannot tell you what you should do. I'm not gonna bail out. Market crash, let it crash. It's okay. Yeah, it's impossible to buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. It's impossible. Market crash, let it crash. But I get a dry powder, whack. Okay, because we don't know how far this bull run will run. Maybe run to 8,000 points, then it crash at 20%. Okay, yeah. So we'll never know, and maybe the crash didn't come. Right? So I'm gonna just accumulate dry powder, stay invested, and it goes up some more. I just do some rebalancing, and I need to say this: if you want to be able to execute bottom fishing, crash buying, you need to be more robot than human. It's not easy to train yourself that. You need to be more robot than human, and that requires some bottom fishing skill. Okay, you all want, I can share with you all some kung fu how to do that, but we can do it during Q&A. So I'll just say this, okay? I think the key statement is this: we should welcome a crash. Yeah, we should welcome a crash if you're ready, right? So if you take a look at the last 100 years of data, despite 15 major crashes, the S&P 500 returned more than 10% return. In fact, I'm now sitting on 15% return on my S&P 500 over the last 5 over years, okay? And the price growth is phenomenal, and I think if any globally diversified index will give you very good, okay, returns. So crashes will hurt in the short term, but they create wealth in the long term. So are you able to tahan the crash in the short term so that you'll give you wealth creation in the long term? Okay. So, but the conclusion is that this temporary shock, if it ever comes, okay, you don't say, I never say it will come, right? Then are you ready for it, right? If you are ready for it, then when it comes, you should celebrate, okay? So let me repeat again. Once there's a crash, I will whack big time, okay? I've accumulated enough dry powder, okay? And I'll continue to accumulate dry powder. This may be the best buying opportunity for the decade, so I'm not going to miss it, okay? Yeah, so I'm going to whack, right? So I want to say this, I will only announce on live stream that I whack, and you know my style, right? After I announce, I will delete the video. Nowadays, MAS is so uptight about it. After I announce my shorts, I will not record, delete it away, and then never talk about it. So please subscribe to my channel if you want to follow me closely. I don't know when the 20% crash will come. That's Tom Lee say one, okay? But I'm very good at bottom fishing. You know, guys know me. I've done it successfully many times, okay? So, so Wang Dong says this. Yes, I watched you bought twice and market crashes, and I was too coward, but I think I'm ready for the next dip. Okay. So anyway, so let me encourage everybody, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. And during intense period of market volatility, I will also please also subscribe to my 1965 channel, my 1965 Telegram channel. I will also put an alert there as well so that you don't miss it. Some of these YouTube, I cannot control the alert. Okay. All right, guys. Okay. Any questions? Any questions you all can ask now. Okay. Any question you can ask now. All right, let's go. Okay. Any question, guys? Okay. Any questions? Yeah. Yes, this is my investing age. There are some people good in certain things. There are some people good in analyzing stocks. There are some people good in reading charts. There are some people good in something. I'm not good in that. I'm just freaking good in buying during crashes and nothing else. Yeah, and I buy the whole market. Yeah, you can't. It's very difficult to. It's very difficult to lose money in this kind of situation. Will you rebalance our TLT? Well, if the market crashes by rebalancing logic, I should then reallocate from bonds to shares. Yes, the answer is yes. Okay. What do you think of the bonds now? I think the bonds is okay. It's still doing fine. Okay. Should I buy Nvidia? Should I buy Nvidia? I don't like to pick stock. I must have said this 50,000 times already. I don't like pick stock. I'm not capable of picking stock. I don't know why so many people like to buy individual stock. So Nvidia, I have no idea whether to go up or go down, or whether the Google new chip will eat their lunch or whatsoever. So I can't tell. But I know if I buy the whole Nasdaq, yeah, I'll ride the whole wave. What do you think of Tom Lee's what BMR, and I don't know what is that? Oh, his fund, is it? I don't like to. I'm more conservative. Grace, S&P, do you go for the one that's domiciled in UK? Yes. In Ireland, I think. Ireland or UK? Yeah. Okay, Ireland. I've been following for years. I'm a senior banker with a Swiss bank. I must say, you make better calls than my investment team. Wow. No lah, your investment team must be better than me lah. How? I I don't think I'm. I don't think I don't think I'm so good as your investment team. No, it is my investment philosophy is so simple. Maybe the difficulty of it is in the simplicity, right? I said 50,000 times. Form a financial safety net with your CPF. Okay. After you form ready, your emotions will become very stable. Then you start adding S&P 500, MSCI World Index, globally diversified index or whatever. Then if you want to take more risk, NASDAQ, that kind of thing, right? Okay. And some high-tech stock index, globally as well diversified as possible. Okay. Then from there on top, then you do whatever you want to do. Okay. You want to buy Bitcoin or so, buy a small little bit on top. This bar of it, if you can do this one, really, your whole retirement all settled. Yeah, you believe me? Whole retirement all settled already. I'm now teaching people how to make 10, 15, $20,000 retirement income, and it's like just home run, man. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I saw news Xi Jinping instruct guys to be ready by 2027 to unify Taiwan. I don't know what happened to stock market. Is that reliable? Obelu can write to me and tell me where you find the news. I didn't see that. I like to talk Singlish, chum Chinese, English to okay. Ireland, yes, yeah. If next year, same situation, 2022, will you sell TLT at a loss to rebalance? I don't care about loss or gain. If it's time to do rebalancing, I do rebalancing. Okay. Mr. Lu, there's a bad habit of waiting for the lowest of the low, but price end up going high. How do you strategize? Oh, you must then know how to identify the bottom. You will not be able to predict crashes. Okay, maybe conceptually you can understand this, everybody. You cannot predict the future. None of us can do it well. There's some people they think they can, but I don't know. No, we cannot predict the future, but you can at least know where you are, right? You know where you are. You don't know what's ahead, but you know where you are. Is that a fair statement? But because you know where you are, you can tell whether am I in a hole that's deep enough. Right? Don't try to attempt to catch all the rock bottom. It's very impossible. Right time to buy some gold. Well, if you want to buy gold for decoration, for bangles and all this, I think that's a good idea because it gives you aesthetic value as well. But if you want to buy gold for returns, that one I can't give you the right advice because it's very difficult to predict gold prices. What do you think of the AI bubble right now? I don't even know whether there's a bubble right now. Yeah, bubble-ish maybe, but I don't think it's a bubble. Even though you buy S&P 500, when the index rise, do you look at market breadth, index up, but the rest of stock go down? Okay, I don't understand what. Buy gold is one of the best investment. In the long term, yes, of course. No, the ladies who follow me in my Premium More channel, you understand. When you buy gold, decorative gold, you got two value out of it. Number one, you got aesthetic value. You wear already feel very shook. Okay. And then you get appreciation value. Now, some people say, Mr. Lu, you will trade in the value, no, right? But if you hold long enough, like my wife bought so much gold, at a very low price. What was the lowest price you bought for gold?
30 something 40.
30 something 40 for what? 999 or 916? 916. Now 30 something dollars. Now that day was 180 something. Yeah. Okay. Never mind. You trade in a discount bit, so never mind. Yeah. Yes. Make sure you collect your TLT 4.5 dividends. Yeah. How to identify bond? That is a skill. If you're interested, I can teach you. If you have a run in 2025 and a 20% date is imminent, would you rotate out of cash and money market fund while waiting? I don't need what. Right? If I'm already in cash, why do I need to take out to wait for the dip? So if the dip happen, then I take out and buy, right? Yeah. The 60 cm gold chain, I think he was grabbed by someone. I don't know. Did we buy a 60 cm gold chain?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. The 60 cm gold chain, Jimmy is asking, or someone got it. I don't know. Okay. Anyway, yeah. So, Mr. Lu, where do you keep your dry powder for decent yield whatsoever? Yeah. I tell you the truth. Okay. Even is decent yield, 1-2 years doesn't make a big difference, right? Okay. So I put in money market fund. I tell you where's the best place. People attend my course, I always teach them. Voluntary housing refund. VHR and CPF. 2.5%. Plus a few more tricks I teach people in my course for retire with confidence, right? Really 2.5%. Yeah. Market breadth of QQQ is quite bad. 100 stocks, quite bad. 100 stocks. Which platform am I? Oh, we are in 1M65 YouTube channel. 1M65 YouTube channel. You can follow us in 1M65 YouTube channel. Okay, 1M65 YouTube channel. Yeah. B is keeping as a present for you. I don't know. Yeah. Let's hope she is. Okay. Yeah, I'm holding some QQQ, SPY, GLA, and ITL. Should I place more on SPY? I don't know. I can't tell you that. So what I do is that I always tell people the more broad-based index like SPY, like S&P 500 and versus Nasdaq, I always hold at the 1/3, 2/3 ratio. 1/3, 2/3 ratio. Okay. Yeah. Next one is sometimes index can go up, but rest of stock go down. That's fine, right? That's why buy index is the best. Yeah, I don't like pick stock. Picking stock is very dangerous. I don't know how so many people are going to buy individual stocks. Okay, I think you need a lot of time, a lot of expertise, a lot of talent, and a lot of luck. And I have neither of these, so I buy the whole index. Only 50% of the stocks in QQQ are above 200-day moving average. I don't even care about the moving average line. Okay? I never lost money on Nasdaq before. Never lost money on Nasdaq. In fact, making a hell of money from Nasdaq. It's so easy. Don't look at it. Buy during crashes, then walk away. Sure make money one. Yeah. Okay. I don't believe in feng shui. No, sorry, maybe the other way around. I think there's some science in feng shui and some superstition in feng shui. I don't mind the science part. Yeah. Okay. QQQ very high rise. Okay. Yeah. It grew up very, very well. Making yeah, it's doing very well. Okay, it's doing very well. So yeah. Okay, so I'll just say this that what Tom Lee says, if it comes to pass, wow, it'll be a buying opportunity or lifetime, man. Waiting for this for quite some time. Wait from 2022 until now, right? It's something. What's my SRS strategy? Too much money need to withdraw within 10 years, the tax will be chalat. Oh, I actually teach people in my course how to do that. Join me in my course. You want to, okay, I have a QR code on top somewhere around here. I think you can see not. Okay, a QR code on top somewhere around here. You just text this QR code and say you want to join my course. Last few days, no, last 1 or 2 course in December. After that, the no more chance to attend already because the $500 skills future voucher runs out. Yeah, if you attend my course, it's free. It's free for you anyway because you don't need pay. The government pay. Yeah, it's skills future funded. Okay, I just joined Kiwi. Okay, now what's your when stocks in S&P 500 goes down, but the S&P 500 index goes up, isn't that a warning sign? No lah. this again, this is like stock picking, right? Very difficult. Okay, Darwin said, Mr. Lu, with the projected 20% drop, should we buy stocks or bonds? When there is a massive crash of 20% in stocks, I will buy the stocks, of course. The Nasdaq coming down, well, if you watch, please rewatch my whole video. So Tom Lee is making a prediction that next year there will be a policy shock, and that will cause the whole market to crash by 20%. I think he's referring to index such as S&P 500, and from there you will give an opportunity of lifetime. What's the cost about? Okay, I say many times here. You want to know what's the cost about? Okay, what's the difference between ETF index fund, exchange traded funds? And index funds are roughly the same. Okay, yeah, roughly the same. Okay, look for RSP for warning sign. I don't know what's that. Okay, I don't know what's that. Yeah. What will cost cover? Okay, no, mine is okay. So there are 2 courses that we run in towards the the end of year because we use skills futures. And in these courses, I teach people how to retire with 10, 15, $20,000 monthly income, how to create individually. And Mr. So Ching Hing teach another course, which is a very good course. I sat in the course for 5 times already. Okay, he teach people how to master the CPF financially mastery course, and that's a very good course as well. And the two courses, if you're interested, there's a QR code here. You can WhatsApp this number, and they will tell you. You can just WhatsApp the top right corner here. Okay, you all really want? I can pull out some QR code from. Okay, so mine is an online course. Mr. So Chin Hing one is a physical course. My online course easier. How to sign up? Okay, wait. I don't know where. B have a.
Yeah, it's there.
Is there where?
Yes. German chat.
Okay, wait. Let me see where I can pull out.
Okay, send to you.
Yeah.
Send to you on Telegram.
Yeah. Telegram. No, in WhatsApp.
It's written WhatsApp.
Okay, I can. Where? Okay, I found it. Okay. Okay. So, guys, let me see where I can pull it out. Okay, for you guys. Okay, this one. Okay, wait. Let me see where I can pull out. Okay, this one. Okay, give me a minute, guys. Okay, all right. Okay, so where is it? Alamala. Okay, wait. I'm trying to. You ask me now. Okay, so this is a. So this is a course. Where is this date? Okay, on the 26th of December. No, you got it. It's a half day course, right? 26 one. No, I don't know. We should. Okay. Sorry. So 31st of December, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. The first was there's a 4 hours. It's an 8-hour class. So this the first class, then not first class, the first part of the course, and then the second part of the course is on 2nd of January. So you don't langgar with your holiday. So you all can scan this QR code. It is I think you need to pay $420 first. Then after your skills futures is approved, they will refund you. Okay, they will refund you. So you don't pay out. You don't pay out of the pocket. Can you all see? Can you check my YouTube? I think they can't see. Okay, wait, guys. Can you all see? Wait, let me do it again now. Okay, B, tell me whether you can see. Okay, yeah. 1, 2. Okay, and oh my goodness. Okay, this one. Can you all see? Okay, so the date is on the 31st of December. Okay, 31st of December. There is a yes, I got it. Okay, 31st of December. Okay, so this is one class. Half the class will be on 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. on 31st of December. I assume that although it's Wednesday, most people don't work on this day. And then on the 2nd of January, it will be a night class. Okay, so these two combined together is one class. You scan this QR code, sign up with your skills future. You pay with cash first, and then after the thing is approved, after 1 or 2 weeks, they'll refund you $420. This is the 26th of December class. Okay, it's a Friday class from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. This is a course that I think already half the class is filled up already. This is almost finishing already. Okay, it's almost finishing already. So I say again, this is 26. So in my class, you will learn how to. In my class, you'll learn how to retire with $10, $15, $20,000 monthly income for retirement. I actually teach you how to do that. It's a powerful course to learn. And then for the Retire with Confidence class, I also have another slot on the 31st of December and 2nd of January in case you not free in the earlier one. This is the one that after holidays you come back, you still can attend this one. Okay, this is a QR code. Okay, so okay, y'all quickly sign up now. I'm gonna stop sharing now. Okay, any more questions? Any more questions on stock market? Okay, yeah. I think a lot of I think a few hundred of you have signed up already. Oh, okay. Jian Ming say both courses is excellent. Highly recommended for everyone to join. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay. So okay, so any more questions? Okay, and that if any more questions? 420 is for those above 40 years old. Yes. If you are below 40 years old, they charge because Skills Future don't cover. Is GA6 available from Shopee? Okay. You want GA6, you go to the QR code on the top right there. Can you see? And text. Anybody wants GA2? Where's my GA2? Give me my pills. Yeah. My ginseng supplements. Okay. This is GA2 四大天王 for all my energy. Can you see I eat until like that already? I must have my energy level is so high because I take this GA2. If you want, you WhatsApp the QR code on the top right there. Very, very good. Okay. And then give me GA. Yeah, GA6 also. And okay. So GA6 is to detox. To detox. I'm also taking this. This to reduce cancer risk. I'm taking this also. Okay. I'm not taking my chances right now because my cancer risk is very, very high. Okay. This GA6 reduce cancer risk. GA4 is for bone supplement. This bone supplement is really good. All made by Guanan Chan. There's a Yuan An on top. I'm the only one that sells this online for him. Exclusive to him. And this one, my entire hip injury is recovered after this. Super good. Okay. Yeah, but the best is GA2. GA2 is for vitality and energy. See, I eat every day. I take 2 pills. Super good. Okay. All right. Let's see what other questions you have.
The best to me is rheumatism. I got rheumatism.
If you got rheumatism, B claim the GA3 is very good for her, which is true. Okay. Other than class in January, okay. Not investing class. You attend Mr. So Chin Heng's one. He teach people how to do financial mastery, which is important. Can't log in. Can't log in. Got no more grapes. I can't scan a QR code. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, I'm gonna do it again for the QR code now. See whether you can do it now. How to do it now? Okay. Okay, are you all ready, guys? Okay, and let's go. Can you all see? Okay, so this is okay. I'll start with the 26th of December. It's a full day class online. Online can you take in the comfort of your home. Can you just double check? It's okay. It's there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You all can scan this QR code. You sign up. Okay. There's a $420 payment. You pay first. After Skills Future approved, the cost provider is called Finity. Will pay you back. Okay. So you don't come out in cash. and you attend the whole course, really good. Okay, don't sign up and don't turn up. There will be a penalty. Okay. Second is second day for the course is on 31st of December in the morning, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Then the next session, is a 4-hour course plus 4-hour course, so it's 8 hours in total. Is on the 2nd of January, Friday, 7:15 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. 11:15 p.m. So this is a night class, so everybody can attend this. Assuming that most people on 31st is free to attend. Okay, Ken. Okay, Colleen, you got it. Okay, yep. So that I can move on. Okay, I say again. This is 26th of December. It's a really good course. Really good. Everybody who attended it, I would say 99% will say very good. And then this one is the 31st and 2nd January one. Okay. All right. Linda said price of GA2. What's GA2? 269.99. But inside has GA2 has 269.9. Okay, I'll show you. Okay. Wait, give me a minute. Okay, guys, I moved up. Okay, I move out of this thing. Okay, and stop sharing so I can talk about it. This is 269.9, but there are 200 pills inside. You can eat for 3 months, 3 months plus 100 days. Okay, I take this really a lot. Can claim UTAP for the courses, including AI course. If you are, that's assuming you run out of your skills future voucher. Then in those case, then UTAP, yes, you can claim UTAP. AI cannot. AI cannot. AI cannot. Okay, AI cost cannot. Okay, you need to understand. In order to approve for the AI courses, the courses need to go for for approval. Approval takes 6 months. 6 months. Okay. Mr. Lu, can discuss more about IP insurer change. Does it make sense to top up SA instead of MA now? No, I don't think it make much difference. Yeah. I don't even think the insurer change make much of a change. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's my view. Any other questions, guys? Okay. Any other questions, guys? Okay. So Colleen, you sign up for 18th of December. Okay. But I didn't launch 18th of December today. Yeah. Okay. Is the 31st course the same as the one on 21st and 22nd? Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. Anyone have any more questions, guys? Okay. By the way, this is the last chance you can, because everybody is given $500 by the government to attend Skills Futures qualified course. That $500 Skills Future credit will run out on the 31st of December. After that, you don't use it, it's gone anyway. Okay. Yeah, it's gone totally. I think 70 or 80% of people have not used the voucher in Singapore. Okay. So if you don't use the Skills Future credit, it's gone anyway. Okay. I created this course so that you all don't need to pay money to get this skill. Okay. There I teach people how to have a 10, 15, $20,000 retirement. And mind you, the skill require you to, the earlier you start, the higher your chances of doing well in your retirement. Does investing in Rolex watches is a good investment? Not at all. Okay, not at all. Not at all, Pauline, not at all. Those people on Facebook, do join me in my 1N65 YouTube channel. Okay, when the market crash, I will live there only. When market crash, I'll live there only and whack. Okay, you don't want to miss my let's call it the shooting session. You don't want to miss my shooting session. You sign up, not sign up. You subscribe to my YouTube 1N65 channel. Mr. Lu, can I use the credit for later courses as the CPF course on 23rd of December is full? Is it? B, can you check? Oh, 23rd of December. Wait, did I?
No, CPF.
Oh, CPF is full. Okay. Literally live firing. Okay. So Lucky Egg, I don't understand your question. Okay. Meaning that no, you can't. The $500 voucher, Mr. So has no more classes for 2025. They all gone, they all filled up already. I still have some more classes. Okay, my class can share again. Yes, I can share again. Okay, yeah. So anyone, any more question you can ask me while people sign up. Okay, wait, let me see how to do that. Okay, and let's go. Okay, so this is the 2 days. This is I'm going to put it on side by side. How about that? How do I can do that? Okay, so this is 26th of December. Okay, 26th of December, whole day course. And the next one, I'll give you 10 seconds for this. 26th of December, whole day course. It's a Friday. Okay. And the next one is a better one. 31st of December, Wednesday to Friday, 9 a.m. in the morning. Okay. This is most likely a holiday for many people. And then 2nd of January, night class. So everybody can attend this. Okay. Yeah. Last call. Last call. Okay. I left $150 of skills future. We have to pay partial. Yes. Then you have to pay partial. I think you can try to claim this UTAP.
It's either one or the other.
Oh, is it?
Cannot,
Oh, I see. Then Florence, then you have to,
50%.
yeah. Okay. Is the 10, 15, 20,000 through CPF Life? Partly, not fully. Okay. Yeah. So it's 420. Can buy gold as investment or catch 2 catch 3? Wow, I don't know how to tell you this, man. Okay. Gold is never good as an investment as compared to stocks. Okay. Okay, are you ready? No time ready. Okay, I move on. Okay, the QR code ends here. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, how much is it now? It's 420, but you then claim back from your skills future, so it's free, though. Yeah, for you. Yeah. Okay. Any other questions? Any other questions, guys? If not, I moved on already. Yeah. Okay. So let me tell you this: you got $500 skills future credit. Please use it up. Please use it up. If not, 31st of December is vaporized. Yeah, the government give you one. Okay, government give you one. Go and attend. Okay. Any other question on the stock market? Okay. Any question on the stock market or anything like that? Okay. If not, okay, I give you. Anyone have any more questions on the stock market? So please, what? Yeah. So as long, yeah, below 400, below 40 years old is $700. Above 40 years old is 420. But the 420 you and the 700 you, 420 you can claim against your skills future. 700 actually don't know how much you can claim against the skills future. The skills future is mainly generous towards above 40. 31st course can tap on 2025 skills future. Yes, that's the last day. Can. Okay, can. You all need a QR code. In case you all don't have a QR code, just scan the WhatsApp number and ask my colleague to help you. Okay, my colleague up there can help you as well. I'm in my early 50s, still suitable. Yes, absolutely. May Kong, please attend. You must attend, especially before 55 years old. Before 55 years old, must attend. After 55 years old, you can attend. It gets lesser in impact. Once you hit 65, 70, then you gotta learn it to teach your next generation. PIMCO still good. It's good, doing me good. It returns me 6% dividend a year. And on top of that, the fund is rising up. Wow, you get good return plus value increase. Wow, damn good. Okay, so I think PIMCO is good. Which bond fund would recommend? Oh, I try to diversify. I bought some PIMCO fund. I bought some TLT. I would just say, just spread it across PIMCO funds. Is it safe to buy US stock now? Wow, I don't know how to answer your question, Vanessa. Okay, safe. I personally won't buy myself now. Okay, I personally won't buy myself now. Okay, yeah. Actually, in those classes, then in smaller group, then I share with you all in detail. Big group like this, then people complain to MAS, then I'm finished. Yeah, small group in my class, easier to share. Okay, some of this detail. Yeah. Any other question, guys? Okay, I have an art of bottom fishing, crash buying. Yeah. Am I ready to fire soon? I'm ready all the time. I'm waiting for the market to crash. I don't think the market will crash in these 2 months, according to Tom Lee. If what he says is correct, Next year there could be a policy driven crash. I don't know when it will be. He said that, if you watch my earlier video, not you watch my video, as I said earlier, then I'll whack down. I cannot tell you now which fund I recommend. I cannot. Yeah, MAS will come after me. Okay. In my class, I do share. That's a lot smaller. Okay. But the main reason of the class is not for PIMCO funds. Is to teach people how to structure your retirement strategy so that you will have 10, 15, $20,000 retirement income. Yeah. Are you encouraging people to invest in investment linked strategy? No, not at all. Investment linked strategy is investment linked policy is it's very bad. It's very, very bad. Okay, very, very bad. Mr. Lu can share the basic plan payout until 90 years old. Will you get more money? I thought I shared in one of the video. Go watch my earlier video. Yeah, I actually shared basic plan versus all the other plan. Okay. Yeah. And if you, yeah, I also share it in my courses as well. Yeah. But this one I did share in my earlier videos. You can watch. Okay. Okay, if that's the case, nothing else. Well, have a good night, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let's hope the market, when it crash, you're ready. Very okay. Very important for everybody to work very hard, accumulate dry powder, be ready to fire when the market comes. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you all tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Good night, guys. Okay. Good night, guys. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. To buy stock when it crash, is it US or Singapore? I always buy US, not Singapore stock. Okay. Okay. All right. Good night, guys. Okay. Good night, guys. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye.